Welcome to Krystal's Kitchen. Today we are making pancakes. Not any old type of pancakes, but healthy paleo pancakes. And what I love about this recipe is it's super, super simple and so delicious. So we're gonna start out with a banana. You wanna make sure that it does have a little bit of brown spots, so it's gonna mash up really easily. So go ahead and peel that, throw it in the bowl, and then you're just gonna use a fork to smash it up. All right, there you have it. It's all smashed up, one banana. And as we're finishing this, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the cast iron skillet. So turn that on medium to let it get nice and hot. So the key with a cast iron skillet is you wanna add a little healthy oil like olive oil, because we're gonna do a low temperature when we cook the pancakes. You wanna let it heat up to get really nice and hot over about a minute or so, and then it will be completely non-stick as long as you're taking care of your cast iron. So we have our one banana here, and then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of almond flour. You can also use coconut flour if you want, but I find that almond flour seems to stay together a little bit better. So 1/4 cup of almond flour. And then I like to add cinnamon because it helps balance blood sugar and it also adds a nice flavor as well. So just sprinkle a little cinnamon in there, maybe around 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then we're gonna do 2 organic eggs. So these are gonna be high protein pancakes. 1, 2. Don't get any shells in there. All right, and then you're gonna mix it all together. Okay, so once you've mixed it all together, it should be a nice liquidy consistency like this. And then you can use a spoon, you can use an ice cream scoop, or you can just use the 1/4 cup that you used to put the almond flour in. And now that our pan is nice and hot, we're gonna add about a 1/4 scoop per pancake. So go ahead and put it in the pan. There we go. It makes about 3 pancakes or so. Maybe a little over, so 3.5 pancakes or so. You're gonna let these cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they're nice and brown. You can cook them a little longer if you like them to be more brown, or a little shorter if you like them to have a lighter color. Okay, as you can see, they're perfect color over here. Look, completely non-stick. 3 beautimous pancakes. Now you get to choose whatever you want to top them with. So I love to put fresh berries on here. You can do some slivered almonds if you want a little bit more protein. And you know I have to put a plug in for my family's Vermont maple syrup. Yes, this was created on my parents' property. So I always use a little bit of pure Vermont maple syrup, none of that Aunt Jemima crap. Now, of course, it's still high in sugar. However, it metabolizes differently in the body because it contains all of the minerals from the trees. So it's not going to jack up your blood sugar like plain white sugar is going to. It's actually going to be a little bit more balancing and stabilizing for your body. So pure Vermont maple syrup. If you want some, let me know. I can get some the next time I go to Vermont. And then I like to put a little bit of coconut milk whipped cream on here. Super tasty. So you want to run it under warm water for about 30 seconds around the bottom of the can. And then you give it a good shake. And then just a little bit, just a little bit. Oh, looks like we're about out. Okay, that's okay. right, and there you have it, paleo pancakes. Enjoy.